That's our ride to Aga with Johnny. Who you Johnny's always got to come give us a ride. We're going to head down. We're going to see if we can all fit on here. I don't know. Ay, naku.
Bitaw na kaya.
I'm crooked sideways. Hey, not good. This is how we ride in Capul. We can fit one more. This one's too bumpy. I'm gonna wait till I get there. There you go. Cool. This is Aga. Brother Pat and Brother Francis building. Ay, see.
Mga tulaw. Ay, parang hindi kasi ito kay Shelby. Lang mo.
Sleeping, it looks like sleeping.
Mga pang 6 years old.
We'll go back here and visit with some people, family. Motor. Hey, puppy. What we got here? Huh? Yeah. Pat.
Have you been to the beach already?
No. We were supposed to go to Osan today, but then it was raining, so we didn't go. We might go tomorrow, hopefully. What's going on? How you guys doing?
Where?
Huh?
Pinangandao?
Oh, no, Osan.
Osan only?
Yeah, for now. We want to go to the Pinangandao. How do you say?
Yeah, Pinangandao.
Pinangandao.
Beautiful
I
beach.
like that. It's better swimming there. Right?
Better at Pinangandao than Osan.
Yeah, I like it better.
Have you
all
been
your-
there?
Yeah? Twice
Ah, yeah.
swimming.
At Babaopo. Babaopo.
Getting ready for the fights. They legally cockfight here. That's another thing about the Philippines. Oh, a little bumpy. We'll wait. Now to Brother Francis' house. So bumpy. What's going on? They're doing some tenting over here. We'll go inside. Wow, so bumpy. Huh?
Do you know how to fold it?
To fold it?
Yeah.
To put it away, you mean?
Yeah.
I can maybe figure it out. If I look at it. You want to take it down, huh? Okay. Wait, folks, I got to do a little thing.
2 hours later.
Well, we're going to try to walk back from Aga. It's a little walk, not too far. Huh?
Yeah.
Where's Ajana?
Oh, he's going later with the kids.
Okay.
Karen and the kids are going home.
Oh, they're going to play. Ajana's going to play here for a while. So I'm going to try to get some video of some of the landmarks. There goes the local constable. But as long as you're not doing anything wrong, you're fine. And we never do nothing wrong. I can never hold this steady when I'm walking, so Bear with me a little bit. They finally got a gas station. See, it's a convenience store, honey. I told you. A little restaurant, eatery, and a convenience store and a gas pump. Which is something to see in Capul Island. They didn't
That's
used to.
the very first. It used to close down, but now it's back.
Well, they have to have their gas
Maybe
brought in by
because of
boat.
the pandemic.
Yeah. Some additional things that are going on here in Capul Island.
Red button. All right. There's John walking.
Don't bounce around.
Walking on the street of Capul.
As you can see, the beautiful, beautiful.
Coconut.
When you look. This is only a small part. It's only a small little section of Capul Island. It goes all the way around, maybe 5 miles. I don't know.
Yeah,
It's a long thing.
a little bit.
And new construction is coming. There are being new restaurants, gas station that I showed you just a minute ago. So things are improving steadily over time. This used to be a dirt road. All the way out was a dirt road. So they've done all that paving all the way around. Perfect place for an upstart resort or restaurants. Of course, they still got their issues. It's an island. 1 hour by boat either way. And that's only in good weather. When the weather's bad, you can't even get on the island ever, so or get off it either. So when you come here to visit, give yourself a couple spare days in case the weather turns bad. You'll love it. And you can see they're building some really nice houses here now. You know, people are coming back, foreign overseas workers.
Go inside. Let's up.
No, I don't want to go inside. That's okay, honey. I don't want to ask people for the access to their house, honey. No. It's pretty enough from the outside, dear. So you have those new construction, and then you have the houses that have been here for a long time. Some are just nipa huts. Some are like this. The natives, native population, I should say, not natives, but they have been living here for generations, so they don't look to upgrade or can't afford it. Everybody's just sitting around most of the time, enjoying life, slow pace. It would be a very unique vacation experience, put it that way. And I still feel like the first time I came here, I was shocked. I was shocked.
Yeah. Why?
Just because of the way they do things.
2 hours later.
As the lights are going down, we're heading back to the house. The sky is falling, and so am I. So we will see you on the next video, folks. Thanks for joining me for this short one. We're going to put that all in some more clips later.